Good morning, children. So let's start with the reader book. From the reader book also you have two lessons. One, we have the poem Friends and Flatterers, which we are going to recite and understand today. And the next lesson we have Getting Ready for Adventures. So you can mark down in your contents. So let's do that first. So here in your contents you can write Friends and Flatterers. This is unit test 2. This is going to be in unit test 2. Friends and Flatterers is a poem written by William Shakespeare. And the next lesson we have Getting Ready for Adventures. This is also there in unit test 2. So total you have 4 lessons, 2 from the reader book and 2 from your novel book. So let's start reciting the poem Friends and Flatterers. So here, Friends and Flatterers. Before starting the poem, let me ask you a question like, who is a real friend? What do you think? The one who gives company only in good times? Or the one who's there through your thick and thin? See, so children, Shakespeare answer all these type of questions in the poem Friends and Flatterers. And really this is a learning type of poem. You're going to learn the things from here. And so many words you're going to have, you're going to learn about all this. So let's start reciting the poem. So this is written by William Shakespeare. So before starting the poem, let's read about the poet. William Shakespeare, it's written over the dates. He was born in 1564 and he died in 1616. An English poet, dramatist and... One minute, let me make it clear. An English poet, dramatist and actor is arguably the most famous literary figure of all time. The Bard of Avon was not only a skilled playwright but also one of the most accomplished poets. He wrote a compilation of sonnets, poems that have 14 lines, each containing 10 syllables and a fixed pattern of rhyme. No other writer can rival the timeless appeal that Shakespeare enjoys. So this is about the poet. So let's start reciting the poem. Every one that flatters thee is no friend in misery. Words are easy like the wind. Faithful friends are hard to find. Everyone is going to flatter the one who is having money, a wealthy man. Here in this paragraph, Shakespeare paints a picture of a wealthy man and having lots of money. Such a friend is going to attract so many friends, and all will flatter him. All will flatter him because they are going to enjoy the company because this person is always spending the money. But is no friend in misery. Misery means in your pain. But all those flatters are not going to be your true friend when you really need them in your, in your difficulties, in your hardships, in your problems. Words are easy like the wind, and like the words, they are going to vanish, disappear from there. Faithful friends are hard to find, but the true friends are really very hard to find. So in the very first line, Shakespeare paints the picture of a wealthy man and the one who is spending, and that is the only reason such a man would attract so many friends. But when that person is there in a need, is no friend in misery. There is no friend when the time he really needs them. Words are easy like the wind, they are going to be disappear. Only the true friends are going to be near you. Every man will be thy friend, will sit, thou hast wherewith to spend, but if store of crowns be scant, no man shall supply thy want. So every man is going to be that person's friend if you really are having so much money to spend. But if store of crowns, if the money is going to lost, no man shall supply thy want, and no friend is going to financially supply thy want. Means anything if that person requires financially, that no man is going to offer financial aid to him.